Did you know there are different types of HVAC systems? And each one is designed for a specific purpose. Whether it's a home, office, hospital, or shopping mall. Choosing the right HVAC system is essential for comfort and energy efficiency. In this video, you'll learn the 8 main types of HVAC systems in a simple and easy to understand. Hello everyone, welcome to Global MEP Academy. If you're interested in MEP engineering, this system uses ductwork to distribute cool or warm air throughout the building, best for houses, apartments, and small offices. 2. Packaged HVAC system, 1 minute to 1 minute 25 seconds. In a packaged system, all HVAC components are installed in one outdoor unit, usually on the roof or outside the building. It saves indoor space and is widely used in commercial buildings, best for restaurants, schools, and commercial buildings. 3. Ductless mini-split system. A ductless mini-split system does not require air ducts. Each indoor unit can be controlled separately, making it highly energy efficient, best for small apartments, villas, and room extensions. 4. VRF/VRV system. VRF stands for Variable Refrigerant Flow. It allows multiple indoor units to connect with a single outdoor unit while providing independent temperature control for each room. This system is highly efficient and saves energy, best for hotels, hospitals, office buildings, and luxury apartments. 5. Central HVAC system. A central HVAC system supplies conditioned air to the entire building from a central plant. It usually includes chillers, boilers, cooling towers, AHUs, and ductwork, best for airports, malls, factories, and high-rise buildings. 6. Hybrid heat pump system. A hybrid system combines a heat pump with a gas furnace. It automatically selects the most efficient heating method based on the outdoor temperature. 7. Geothermal HVAC system. This system uses underground temperature for heating and cooling, although installation is expensive. 8. Window and portable AC system. These are simple, standalone air conditioning units designed for single rooms. They are affordable and easy to install. Conclusion. Now you know the 8 main types of HVAC systems. Split system, packaged system, ductless mini-split, VRF/VRV, central HVAC, hybrid heat pump, geothermal HVAC, window and portable AC. Which HVAC system would you like to learn about in detail? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global MEP Academy for more HVAC, plumbing, firefighting, and MEP engineering content. Thanks for watching.